Good evening, everyone. My name is Anoja. Today I am going to talk to you about Photoshop tools. That's my presentation. Let's start. First of all, we are going to see about the text tool. In order to use the text tool, you have to select the text tool and select the place where the text should appear in the image. Then you type your text and select the font type by highlighting all of your text. You can highlighting by double click on the text layer. Then you can increase your text size as you wish and place it in the appropriate place. You can also change the font type by clicking on the drop down list at the top, or you can type the font name. You can also change the font style, for example bold, italic. You can also change the edges type of the font. To change the color of the font, you can click the rectangular box near the alignment option and choose the suitable color. You can also wrap the text as you like using the wrap option. There are some advanced features to edit the text in the character tab. You can increase the letter, increase the gap between the letters, or you can increase the width of the letters, or you can make it bold, italic, subscript, superscript, etc. etc. You can choose it as you wish. To type the font word vertically, you select the vertical type tool and select the place where the text should appear. And then type your text. Options are same as the horizontal type tool. To put an image inside the text, you can use the horizontal type mask tool or vertical type mask tool. Select the horizontal type mask tool and place it on the image where the image should be inside the text. As you know, the other options are same as a horizontal type tool as we learned before. And then press on the image layer and click at layer mask. Then automatically the image will be wrapped around the text. And the same goes for vertical type mask tool. Now we are going to put this gift box image into the source image so that we can use the quick selection tool or Mageethiran tool. Now let's try doing both of the tools one by one. First we are selecting the quick selection tool and click and drag the area you don't want. In case by mistake if you select the area that you don't want, you can select the minus sign and reselect the area, so that you can accurately select the part that you want. You can also do the same thing by using Mageethiran tool. To invert the selection, go to select option at the menu bar and select inverse. So the gift box will be selected. Then press Ctrl J key in the keyboard so that the selected gift box will be added as a new layer. Then you can drag the new layer by the move tool to your source page and then place it the appropriate place. Now we are going to use the clone stamp tool to clone the image the right side. So first we have to select the clone stamp tool and press the Alt key in the keyboard to the select area. The starting point to be copy and just brush it over the place where you want the image. You can set the opacity and the flow level as you need. Then go to edit the transform and select flip horizontal so the image will be flipped. To draw custom design, you can use the pen tool. So first you have to select the pen tool and click on the place and start drawing by clicking and dragging. To change the edges, and finally you should finish the dots at the starting point. So that's everything is connected. To move to edit the draw path, you can use the path selection tool to move around the drawn path. If you want to edit the specific point in the path, you can use the direct selection tool. And you can change the curves, edges and etc. etc. This is my final design I created using the tools I previously mentioned. Thanks for watching.